Hey, thank you for arriving and for the short time that we have together. I just want to let the music and the yoga do the talking today. So take a big breath in and a full breath out. Yeah, and then go ahead and let yourself land. So to begin, you might like to lie down. We'll start with some full yogic breathing through the belly, through the ribs, through the chest. So go ahead, lie down. If you have glasses on, take them off. Maybe if you're wearing jewelry, you can take it off. If your hair is up, just let it all hang out. Let it all hang out. And as you lie down, the head a couple times will rock side to side. And bring your head back through the center. And almost get a sense of the sound being received not only through your ears, but through the pores of your body. The pores of your body opening, so too the breath follows that lead. Breathing in a way that feels free for you. Breathing through this capacity of expansion and a complete and full letting go. This invitation, may we land in places that feel held, places of belonging, moments of refuge and ease, and may we never stop searching for these places within ourselves, within each other, within our world. Begin to feel the knees bending and take your sweet time. The feet will land with the knees bending and reach your arms nice and wide. Take a nice big breath in and let the knees fall to the right side. Maybe your right hand helps the knees get a little bit heavier, the left knee. Take a supine twist of your choice and continue to let that breath travel low. Any masks that have been worn today or this week? Feel any extra expression begin to melt from the face, all of those sweet, tiny muscles around the eyes and the jaw. But they don't have to hold right now. Bring your knees all the way back through the center. These transitions between are at a slow and steady pace. You're still lying down on your back. With the knees lifting, now reach the right leg high and interlace your hands behind the hamstring. Maybe roll out the ankle. Just feel this opening through the back line of your body, right hamstring. And you can go ahead and bend that right knee to find our figure 4. Cross the right ankle over the left knee. The hands will find the left leg, hamstring, or shin. Keep the tailbone pressing down, and as you exhale, maybe make like a sound, a gentle hum, or deep tone. Good. One more squeeze. And then go ahead and release the left foot, unravel the legs. Let the feet land once again. Just one gentle back bend. Inhale, push into the feet and lift through the hips. Let this be like the laziest back bend. No extra effort, but opening through the front lines of the body. More space for breath. Exhale, let the hips soften back down. Breathe in. And take your supine twist over in the other direction. The left side, maybe the left hand finds the right leg. Can you soften a little bit more in any direction? Steady exhalation. Space between the teeth. Soften the teeth. In-breath, let those legs come all the way back up through the center. When you get there, that left leg will reach, no doubt, exposing some sensation, but there's no inner battle. It's just an opening up to feeling and maybe a backing off. Letting that light of your awareness saturate these sensations within the body. And go ahead, crossing and bending that left knee, crossing left ankle over right knee, figure 4, or thread the needle. Draw the right knee towards the body. Maybe the low back can stay pressing down. Maybe there's like a gentle rocking side to side. Go ahead, let that figure 4 release. Unravel both legs, and we're going to find a pillow or your bolster. And staying lying down, just simply lift the hips and place the bolster under your sacrum, the pillow or block under the sacrum, and then let the legs lengthen. Let the toes soften away from one another. And let the hands maybe stretch wide by your side or up above the head. What does your exhalation have to offer you right now? David White, he says, "Blessed be the longing that brought you here. That quickens your hearts with wonder. May you have the courage to enter with ease into all inner terrain. To meet yourself like a river flowing, continually surprised by its own unraveling.
steady for 3 more rounds of breath. The kind of breath your body's been craving. Feel the right knee bend and the foot plant down. Feel the left knee bend and the foot plant down. Push into the feet. Move the bolster away. Let the hips land and settle, and let the knees draw in towards the body. Just a gentle squeeze. Yourself roll over to one side. And push down to make your way to a comfortable seat. Inhale, let the hands reach, palms together. Exhale, drag that through the center. 2 more, just like that. Breathing in, and offering to meet this day with a quality of attention that sees beauty and joy, a reverence for the whole picture. Your palms come together right at that sweet space of your hearts. From these inner places of refuge, if there is any insights for you to receive from this space, be open to that now, or simply close your practice in a way that feels meaningful for you. Silent prayer, listening, 3 breaths. Blessed be that longing that stirs our inner wakefulness to see, express, and trust where and how we are. Namaste.